Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what happens is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath, there is a thumbs up. Please, that is important for the YouTube platform for a creator to grow. So if you're enjoying my content or any creator's content, please take a second when you come in, hit that thumbs up. It turns blue, the number increases, and that's you helping a YouTuber grow on the platform. All right, today I am beyond excited to be able to share with you. I was dabbling in Target looking for something online, and I could not believe that I saw a couple of these cutest boxes ever. I ordered two completely different ones, but they're shipping them separately. So this arrived, and I could not wait to share it with you guys because it is still available, and I want to make sure that if this is of something to interest you, that you guys will be able to get your hands on it too, simply by going to target.com. So this is an at-home luxuries is what it's called. It is the cutest box ever. When you opened it up, it had sprinklies inside there, but it also had this little area here. This was $14.99, and the items that came in here were really intriguing to me, and it is a really heavy-duty box. So like I said, the presentation on this was absolutely beautiful. I miss those Target boxes that were $7, but what's inside here is really, really unique, and maybe this is something that they're planning on doing. So I want to make sure that we all keep our eyes open for it, because this is the first time that I saw it. I didn't see anyone talk about this online at all, and I was like intrigued beyond. So I wanted to order it and to share it with you guys. So like I said, there will be a second one when it arrives, but I want to share with you this one first, and this one is called the at-home luxuries. But is this not the cutest box ever? Okay, inside here, and I don't know if I mentioned, this one is $14.99. So inside here there were a couple of full-size items, and one of the items that was in here really intrigued me, and there were a couple of things that surprised me as well. So I'm just going to I just pulled everything out of the box, because what I do is I choose to take a picture prior to filming, and when I do that, it's for Instagram so that we have that picture, and then when I come in here, I open up everything and I play on YouTube. So the first item that came in here was a drugstore item that is called Olay, and I'm pretty sure that everything in here is available at Target, which surprised me as well, and I'll show you why. So this one is called the Olay, and it is a rinse-off body conditioner. There is no paperwork on this. They do have on the back of the box, you know, what is going to be in the box, and like I said, there's no surprises. You go into Target.com and it tells you exactly, so if this is of interest to you, you can, you know, choose it without, you know, me going through all the items. But what I wanted to share with you is there's just simply the name and the ingredients and the measurements that are in here. So I'm going to be trying to go through this as best as I can so that you guys could know a little bit what's in the box and what it is. So this one is called the Olay Rinse Off Body Conditioner. I have never heard of a body conditioner. I've always used soap in the shower, or, you know, or the, you know, the liquid soaps in the shower. And then I would, you know, use my creams or my oils afterwards. This is called a rinse-off body conditioner. So I'm wondering if this is something you use, like almost like how when you wash your hair and then you use a body conditioner. So if anyone knows about this product, this is brand new to me, I would love for you guys to share in the comments, because I think it is really, really intriguing. And this says that it has shea butter. So inside here, it just smells fresh. It's a beautiful scent. I do like the Olay products. And like I said, if you've had the opportunity to use a body conditioner, please leave it in the comments down below. The next item is one that I really have been enjoying this brand. It is called Acure. And I also get these in the Allure Beauty box. So this is a really nice product that is carried at Target as well. And this is their Brightening Facial Scrub. I have not used this one yet, so I'm excited to use this. And I like when they come in these type of containers, because they're easy to travel with, and you simply use it, and there's no bottle. It's just the simple little package. And this is, like I said, it is a brightening facial scrub. It says it is sea kelp and French green clay. They're saying it's for all skin types. It's a facial scrub, and that's the information here. And Acure simply says it's 100% vegan, It has no it's paraben free, sulfate free, mini oil free, all the frees. So cruelty free. So that's this product here. The next one is a small little bottle, and it's from this brand called, I think it's called ArtNaturals, and it's a skincare collagen booster. This little guy here. And I got some products from this brand. I think that was a vitamin C, and I really, really enjoyed that as well. So it comes with a dropper. I'm just going to try to take a little bit out on my hand here. And when you get, I didn't get any in, so here it is. So when you get these type of products and you see how runny it is, when you get that, it means that you use this first. So what I mean by that is I like to use essences, which is really a very watery consistency, very similar to this, but even more watery. So when when you're putting any ingredients on your face, when it comes to this type of product, you always go what I call from thinnest to thickest. What I mean by that is you go essence, these type of serums, a thicker serum, you could use a moisturizer and things like that. So just think in your head that you're going from the thinnest to thickest. So when you get it, that's how you know what to put on your face first, because you want whatever can absorb, the thinnest can absorb the quickest. And this is what that looks like here. There is no scent on it, but it is leaving my skin really, 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 really silky. So that's the difference, the hand that I'm not going to put anything on and what we just did now. The next item is a brand that has really intrigued me, and I've had the opportunity to try a few of the items from it, and I really, really like it. And it is called the Derma E, and this is the Hydrating Eye Cream. It has hyaluronic acid and green tea. It came in this box, and the item that's inside is this guy here. And it is simply an eye cream, and it comes with the little area there. There's no safety seal on this, because usually when they are the, this small little tubes like this that have the point, I like that because you don't end up using more than you need. You take a pin size amount and you put it in between your two ring fingers, and then you dab it in around the orbital bone, and then it will migrate up, and then whatever I have left over, as you know, I put it into my 11 lines, and that's how I use my eye cream. So really, the consistency of this is not very thick, so I think this is something we'll be able to wear under our makeup, like during the day. And it simply says gently dab around the eye area with your ring finger, exactly what I just told you, in the morning and the evening, and it works great under makeup. So there you go. So you know that simply by the consistency. So excited to have the opportunity to try that. The next item is one that I really enjoy getting from the drugstore, and it is from this brand called Shea Moisture. And this is the Coconut and Hibiscus Illuminating Body Lotion. And in the summertime, I live in Florida, so it's summertime all the time. But whenever you have one that is illuminating, this has a safety seal on it, so I'm just going to peel back a little just so that I can get the scent. It's not very strong in coconut. You smell more of the hibiscus. And what I like doing with this is definitely, if you're wearing, a skirt or dresses, I like using these illuminating on my legs. So that's where I will be enjoying this. So I love getting these in these boxes. And this one here is 3.2 fluid ounces. So really, really good size. The next item that I received in here is from Hair Food. It is an avocado and argan oil hair smoothing mask. It's dye-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. So it says, our rich blend of ingredients leaves your hair feeling smooth and nourished from the root to the tip. If your hair looks less frizzy and shinier, and it simply says, after shampooing, apply a small amount to the palms. Work the mask through your wet hair with your fingers, beginning from the mid-shaft down to the tips. Use a comb to detangle the strands. You have to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse. And then they say that they have also an avocado and argan oil shampoo and conditioner that you can use after. So these type of treatments are fun. I like having this in the packets because when I used to travel, this was stuff that I would take with me and I would treat myself when, I was, in the hotel room after a long day. So really, really enjoy that. The next item is one that is from this brand called Quay Bella Professional. And this is an illuminating peel off mask. And this is something that I'm looking forward to trying. And then if it's good, I know a couple of girls that like these type of masks, and I'll be telling them about it. So excited to have the opportunity to try that. And the last couple of items in here are really unique. This is a new product from Palmer's. Palmer's is a fantastic brand. If you haven't had the opportunity to try it, they really make some really great products. This is their coconut butter formula with vitamin E, and this is a hemp oil calming relief body oil. It has natural hemp seed oil and other herbal extracts. It will soothe irritation, increase hydration, improve texture, radiance, and this they're saying will give you 48 hours of moisture. And this is simply a body oil. I never would go near body oils until in one of the boxes I received this one from M. Grass. This is a dry oil spray, and it is in the fragrance Beach Air. I enjoyed this so much. You can see there's very little left in here. This is my second bottle of this, and I was so disappointed when I didn't see it again in the add-ons, but I will definitely keep my eyes open for it. But this is a fantastic brand, and it made me love dry oils. So this one is more of I don't think it's a dry oil. We're going to do a little spritz of it here. But I used to stay away from body oils, but I'm a bath girl. I like at the end of the day to sit down and relax in the bath, and it brings my energy to a level that enables me to go to sleep. And this is something that is just very refreshing. There's no real scent to it, but I'm going to take my rings off. But this, for me, is something that I never touched body oils before. And if it wasn't for the BoxyCharm box, I don't think I ever would have tried it on its own. And now that this is in the box, I am so intrigued to have the opportunity to try it. It is so soothing. Your skin just loves body oil, and I never knew. And the last item that's in here was a tool. And I was surprised how beautiful and how large it was. It came in this little pouch, and this is what I'm talking about. Is this not beyond stunning? I should have started the video with this because I was so intrigued with this. So these are the tools that are so popular right now. I have a couple that are a lot smaller with this type of design that's in jade, but these are fantastic that when you're doing any of your masking or just lying in bed, this is what helps with circulation. It's just a fantastic tool. I think these are called GUAs. I am so intrigued with this. I'm going to see if there's anything here on the back of the box. No, it doesn't even have it here on the back of the box. Nope. Oh yes, here it is. It is called a Resin GUA SHA, and it originates from China. So like I said, this is so beautiful, and even if it's something you want to give as a gift and keep everything else because you already have one, the one like this I have never seen. So really intrigued to have the opportunity to try this. And that's everything that was in this box. So like I said, this is available now at Target.com. It's called the At Home Luxuries. There's another one that I ordered. I'm not sure what's inside that box. We'll do that together when I receive it here. But the box is so cute. And like I said, how it came was so ready to be gift giving. I could not believe. So wanted to share all that with you guys. That's everything that I got in my box right now. Like I said, if any of these products you've had the opportunity to try, please leave a comment down below and share within our comments, because at True Wants, we share with each other through the comments. And that's everything for today, all right? As always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, I want everybody to continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and then we can all enjoy. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.